Listen and think. Join me as I try to find and meet the smallest monkey on Earth. Can I get close enough to say hello? The smallest monkey on Earth is the pygmy marmoset, scientifically known as Calithrix pygmaea. This tiny primate is native to the tropical rainforests of South America, specifically in Brazil, Colombia, Ecuador, and Peru. At around 140 grams and measuring only 13 to 15 centimeters in length, it's hard to imagine that this miniature creature is actually a monkey. One of the biggest challenges the pygmy marmoset faces is its constant threat from predators. In the wild, they must be extremely cautious to avoid being caught by birds of prey, snakes, and even larger monkeys. Another significant issue is habitat loss. As the rainforests are cleared for agriculture and urbanization, the pygmy marmoset's home is being destroyed, leaving them with limited space to roam and find food. In addition to these threats, the pygmy marmoset's small size makes it vulnerable to environmental changes. Even a slight change in temperature or humidity can be disastrous for these tiny creatures. They are also highly dependent on their social groups, so if any member of their group is injured or dies, the entire group can be affected. Their small size makes them incredibly agile, allowing them to dart between tree branches quickly. However, this agility also means they must be constantly moving to find food and avoid predators, which can be exhausting. When it comes to behavior, pygmy marmosets are incredibly social creatures. They live in groups of up to 15 individuals, usually consisting of a dominant male and female, their offspring, and other relatives. They have a complex communication system that includes a variety of vocalizations, scent markings, and even facial expressions. One of the most fascinating aspects of the pygmy marmoset's diet is its love for tree sap. Their specialized tongue allows them to gather sap from trees, a rich energy source. They also eat fruits, insects, and even small reptiles. In the wild, pygmy marmosets display remarkable empathy towards each other. If one group member is injured, others will often take turns caring for it, bringing it food and keeping it safe. This level of cooperation is essential to their survival in the harsh rainforest environment. One remarkable story about pygmy marmosets is their ability to adapt to captivity. They have been known to thrive and even breed successfully in controlled environments. This has led to conservation efforts focused on breeding programs to increase their population and release them back into the wild. I was amazed to learn that pygmy marmosets have even been observed playing with each other. They will tickle, chase, and even cuddle with each other, showing emotional intelligence that's hard to find in other animals. In another remarkable instance, a group of pygmy marmosets was observed grieving the loss of one of their members. They would visit the spot where their companion had died, vocalizing and displaying signs of distress. This level of emotional complexity is genuinely heartwarming. To summarize, the pygmy marmoset is an incredible species that has remarkably adapted to its environment. From its unique diet to its complex social structure, there's so much to learn and appreciate about this tiny primate. If you learned something new about the pygmy marmoset, please like and comment below with your favorite fact. And if you want to see more videos about incredible animals, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.